All right. Yeah. Today's journal and today's contemplation. Right. Today's contemplation very, 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 very simple. Right. So I posted a picture yesterday, right, and I put a write up underneath, which I am actually admiring. I think at the end of the last is it paragraph or stanza now, I wrote, "May my life rest on trust. May I be like the beasts of the field that that don't worry." Paraphrasing my own, because I don't. That may I be like the beasts of the field that don't worry about what they'll eat, and because as a human being, I personally tend to have lifestyle. So there's like in the hierarchy of things. So let's think about a square, right? We have at the top lifestyles, like what you wear, what you eat, where you go, people that we have lifestyles, and underneath that lifestyle there's finance. So if you take away the finance, um let's say, okay, let's think of Jenga now. You have a Jenga start. If you take away the Jenga anyhow from the middle, it falls. So finance is like at this downside of the Jenga. So up here is lifestyle, here is finance, and then there is you. And then if you take away finance from it, the whole Jenga falls. And I'm like, that's why we are so, you know, will I use the word panicky, or if there's a word like that, or so fearful about money. And now, if your lifestyle rests on money, right? Anything that is money inclined in your life, you tend to be, you know, so shaky about it. And same thing with me, right? So I'm like, can my life get to the point where it's not at the bottom, it's not the finance that holds the Jenga together. It's trust in providence. It's a sort of way that even when the finance is pulled out, the Jenga can have like a floating, and that would be a miracle, right? And providence is highly based on miracles. So can it be like that in my own case? That's what I was thinking about, man. Like, how can one live a life in such a way that at all phases in your life, you are at zen, you are at that steady ship, right? And it takes a lot of courage, and it takes a lot of determination, because it then means that you need to like restack your Jenga or restack your pyramids, and you need to align it with a life that can be fruitful at all times, there being finances or there not being finances, or there being because sometimes you have the finance stacked properly on your Jenga, but something could just happen. It could be something else that is not even finance, and the Jenga still falls. So can I be at that point where at all times, and I think it goes to say at all times be thankful, right? That I'm not afraid of any season of my life, be it financial prosperity, be it not, be it what, in sickness and in health. I mean, that's a marriage vow, right? And I think that goes deep. In sickness and in health, I can still have a sort of appreciative lifestyle. Mm, I think that's good. So yeah, see you tomorrow.